In front of me is TECNO Phantom V Flip, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Users and Accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google under Autofill Service and tap on Saucer Misclick and tap on Google Password Manager. Then select the password to check by clicking on it. Enter your screen lock and use eye icon next to your password to make it visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!